Hey everyone, welcome back to a new video on how to guide, and in this video I'm going to show you how to create your Netflix account. Netflix is a video streaming platform where you can watch or stream movies, TV shows and series. To create your account of Netflix, you can either use the app of Netflix, or for this video we're going to use the website of Netflix. Just open up your web browser and search for netflix.com. Once you search it, you'll land here. Now all you do is type in the email address. Once you type in your email address, tap on get started, tap on next, and create your password of Netflix. Make sure your password is strong and then tap on next. Now the last thing you'll need to do is choose your plan. Tap on next again. There are 4 plans that you can choose: the mobile plan, basic plan, standard plan and the premium plan. The premium is the most expensive one, which costs $11.99, and the cheapest one is the mobile plan, which costs $3.99. You can see the descriptions of it and how many devices that you can use and the video resolution. Select your plan and you can just scroll down and tap on next. Choose your payment method. Either you can use your debit or credit card. It accepts 3 cards or 3 companies: the Visa card, MasterCard and the American Express. Or you can also use your PayPal. Enter in your card details or enter in your PayPal details and then just continue with the payment. And as easy as that, you've created your Netflix account. Now you can start streaming or watching movies and series on Netflix. So that was a quick and easy video. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to subscribe, share and also give this video a thumbs up. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.